इंडिया से सिर्फ 6 घंटे की डायरेक्ट फ्लाइट, नो शेंगन वीजा, इन बजट ऑफ 1 to 1.5 lakh for 7 to 8 days with flights, and Indians are warmly welcomed here. Old town culture, crazy mountains, beaches, veg food, सब मिलेगा यहाँ. कुछ लोग बोलते हैं ये कंट्री यूरोप में है, कुछ लोग बोलते हैं एशिया में है, बट इन रियलिटी इट्स एट द बॉर्डर एंड वाइडली कंसिडर्ड टू बी पार्ट ऑफ यूरोप. अब तक तो आप समझ ही गए होंगे, बट अगर नहीं समझे हो तो से हेलो टू जॉर्जिया. I recently spent 10 days here and here is my perfect itinerary जिसमें आपको सब मिलेगा from popular to offbeat places, तो जल्दी से सेव कर लो. Day 1, take a direct flight from Mumbai or Delhi and land to Tbilisi in afternoon. Check into your hotel, stay in Old Tbilisi, rest a bit and start your day with nice Georgian lunch. Then explore Meteki Plateau, Narikala cable car, Mother of Georgia, Peace Bridge and Old Town. ये सब walking distance पे है. Day 2, start around 10, go to Holy Trinity Cathedral. You just can't miss this. Then Chronicle of Georgia, Ancient Flea Market and Clock Tower. Come to hotel, rest and in the evening take a funicular ride and have dinner there only or at Old Town. Day 3, do a day trip to Kakheti region which is very much known for wine production. Explore small villages of Churchkela, bread and cheese making on the way and explore Signagi city of love and in return do wine tasting. Day 4, check out early morning and leave for Kazbegi. लोग डे ट्रिप्स करते हैं यहाँ भी, बट आई वोंट सजेस्ट. आपका आधा टाइम रास्ते में ही जाएगा. ऑन द वे एक्सप्लोर जवारी मोनास्ट्री, जिनवाली लेक, अनानूरी फोर्ट्रेस एंड मन करे तो पैराग्लाइडिंग एट गुदावरी. चेक इन टू योर कॉटेज एंड स्टे ओवरनाइट एट काजबेगी. Day 5, check out and start with Girgeti Trinity Church, Daryali Monastery and return में Georgia Russia Friendship Monument and come back to old capital of Georgia and stay overnight in a homestay. Day 6, check out and start your day around 10 and head to Borjumi, explore Rabati Fortress, Cable Car and Center Park and stay overnight at Sadgiri Forest in a nice cottage. Day 7, head to Marthavili Canyon and वहाँ से चले जाओ उरेकी to explore Black Sea and magnetic sand. Maybe do a cooking class in the evening and stay overnight near to the beach. Day 8, explore Batumi Botanical Garden, do a zip line and फिर चले जाओ Miracle Park. वहाँ पे बहुत कुछ है करने and देखने को and then come back to उरेकी, stay overnight there. Day 9, leave early morning for Tbilisi and on the way stop at Pottery Village and old capital of Georgia, Makshketa. Explore oldest cathedral and market and then come to Tbilisi around 4 to 5 PM. उसके बाद रेस्ट करो या तो ओल्ड टाउन चले जाओ. Day 10, check out and निकलने से पहले do experience the most famous sulfur bath to relax yourself and then take a flight to India. I did my entire trip with Guest Georgia Tours and it was super smooth. If you want detailed itinerary in written form with all reliable contacts, prices, stay details, just comment Georgia and stay tuned.